What is side-wettable flanks technology and what are its benefits? Let's dive in. Leadless DFN packages are a more modern alternative to older leaded SMD packages. DFN packages produced for automotive applications not only need to be extremely rugged to survive the harsh environment, but they also need to be suitable for Automatic Optical Inspection or AOI. AOI is used in automotive and many industrial production lines to inspect the integrity of the solder joint between the chip and the PCB, thereby ensuring that components meet strict safety and quality requirements. Automotive DFN packages produced by Nexperia include side-wettable flanks technology that allows cameras to inspect the solder joint with AOI. The tin plating on the side of the DFN package ensures that solder flows up the side of the contact when it is soldered onto the PCB, making it visible for the AOI camera. Beyond meeting automotive requirements, side-wettable flanks technology makes the more expensive X-ray inspection of solder joints unnecessary, thereby saving time and money. Furthermore, side-wettable flanks improve the mechanical robustness of the bond between the device and the PCB. Visit nexperia.com to learn more about side-wettable flanks.